Hi, I'm a Microsoft MVP from Japan. Let's begin the tutorial. First, click the Insert tab and insert a table. Enter 10 columns in one row, then click OK. Move the table to the top left corner of the slide. Make the table a little narrower. Then extend the table to the bottom of the slide. Then extend the table to the bottom of the slide. Select the entire table, then open Format Shape. Change the table color to black. Select the second column from the left. Set the transparency to 10%. Next, select the third column from the left. Set the transparency to 20%. From here, just repeat the same steps, select the next column and increase the transparency. Stop at 90%. Now you have a smooth black gradient. Select the table again. You don't need the borders. Choose No Border. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate this slide. Make the first slide a little smaller to work more easily. Select the entire table. Select the entire table. Drag the middle handle on the right to make the table narrower. Move the table off the slide. Hold Ctrl and Shift, then resize the image from the corner. Change the image to black and white. Insert text on slide 2. Press Ctrl+V to paste it in the same position. Hold Shift and drag the text outside the slide. Select slide 2, then choose Morph under Transitions. That's it. Let's watch the slideshow. The black and white image shrinks and reveals the color version. The text sits on a beautiful black gradient, making it easy to read. That's all. Thank you for watching.